another BrownManTravels video, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are driving in Arizona. So summers in Arizona are really hot. Right now it is 38 Celsius outside, and for my fellow Americans that is exactly 100 degrees Fahrenheit. So yeah, it is pretty hot out here, and this is not the hottest time of the day. You know, it peaks at about 1-2 p.m. That's when things climb up by another, I would say, 15-20 degrees. So yeah, it is spicy. So it can easily get up to 46C or like around 120F. But yeah, this is what rural Arizona looks like. You got really nicely paved interstate highways, and on both sides you have just fields, farm fields. I see almost in every field right now there are John Deere tractors. They are probably getting ready for the next harvest season. I see them plowing the field and making room for the new crops. So yeah, and on the horizon we've got some mountains. So that's a beautiful scenery. Yeah, if you like hot weather, mountains, desert, Arizona is the place for you. It's really pretty out here. You got these palm trees, and to my left, I can't rotate the camera, but to my left and right there are palm tree farms. So yeah, it's pretty wild. I like it. So, I talked to a few local people at a coffee shop earlier this morning, and some random people that were just sitting at the park near my hotel. I asked them, so what do people do here for fun, you know, during the summer? They said pretty much they don't do anything outside when it's super hot, obviously, because it's a safety hazard, nor should you, right? But when the temperatures cool down early in the morning or later in the evening, they do dune buggy and other types of off-road stuff, so which is nice. There's a lot of off-road trails around here, and there's a few places that I saw where you can get off-road rental vehicles. By the way, besides construction, to my left and right now, there's a lot of cotton plants. So looks like people also grow cotton here. I was here last January, and this January, 6-7 months ago, and back then I saw lots of leafy vegetables like cabbage, cauliflower, yeah, lettuce growing in the middle of a desert. It's crazy. You know, you need so much water for those what's the word, cruciferous vegetables. It's crazy. But yeah, next time you eat your leafy greens vegetables, they might be from Arizona, Yuma, Arizona. Dam Road, and that's it. To our left is the entrance of the U.S. Army Yuma Proving Grounds. You see those two cannons, decommissioned cannons. Time check. We are in the town of Searchlight, California. It's literally called Searchlight. Yeah. We entered the town. We saw, I'm seeing 2 casinos, and now we are exiting the town. That is it. That is Searchlight, California. It looks like people are living up in the mountains, in the hills. Ah, interesting. Yeah, nice.
You can see the water line how high it is.
Correct. Yeah.
It's almost the top. I guess, yeah, it does get to the top.
I was watching a documentary about how this is a bypass tunnel, I think.
Spillway.
Spillway, yeah. Or bypass, right? Holy fuck.
Oh wow, it was like that.
When global warming did.
Yeah, water level's not quite to there anymore. Jeez, the water was all the way up here. Holy crap. Hasn't been that high in a while.
Look at that, it's all dry.
You know, the plants growing here. Like,
Hoover Dam. Memory of Sherman Jones, who lost his life during construction. Ooh. It's really tough to walk in this heat. that's the Hoover Dam over there. And I don't wanna go near this railing. I wish they actually put like a cover. Alright, we're done looking at the Hoover Dam, going back to the car, and then to Las Vegas. This is the infamous Sphere in Las Vegas. This has become the greatest tourist attraction. See what I mean? Everybody's just sitting here and taking pictures. Is this the track?
Yeah.
This, really? This whole straight?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Which side? The left side or the right side?
I don't know. Do they use both sides or just one side?
I have no idea.
What the track looks like.
Yeah.
It went all the way from there down past the Bellagio. Like this is the long straight track. It's like 220 miles an hour.
That's crazy, dude. You guys want to play? Fly?
Oh, okay, so 150 is $1.50.
Oh, I see. So that's your bet. Now you spin.
Alright, spin. God, such a mind mistake. There's no skill. Well, that was a loss. Congratulations, you lost your $2. This isn't fun.
The bet's small, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.
You won 15 cents.
Well, let's go.
Hey.
Dude, I made money.
Oh. Dude, how'd you win?
Oh shit.
How much did you put in?
I put in $10. You just made it too much.
Dude! Alright, this is how they get you.
Yeah.
This is how they get you.
Now the question is, do you cash out or keep going?
Robbie, no.
Oh shit.
Did I lose money on all that?
Yeah, but only 75 cents.
I don't understand. What is it trying to match?
Oh.
If I lose on this one, then I'll cash out.
Yeah, take your $13.
Nothing. Alright, how do I cash out?
Collect.
Collect.
You're gonna get just a ticket.
Yeah.
Let's go.
What does it say?
You made 23.
I am so confused.
Oh shit. That's on me.
What the fuck is going on?
I don't think you're getting this money. Oh. Oh, he made 25.
Hell yeah! Keep playing.
I have made my money back for the night.
+5, right?
+5.
You made 5.